Hi, my name is Josie and I'm the Manager of Customer Success here at Edcite. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the same stimulus across multiple questions without having to re-enter the stimulus again. I am working in my assignment editor. This question has a stimulus that I would like to repeat for question number 3. I'm going to show you the stimulus by clicking the edit pencil and opening the question. So here is the excerpt from The Secret Garden, and here are questions associated with it. But I want to make new questions, so that would be number 3 in my assignment. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to click this copy button. It's going to copy the question and make the new question as number 3. I'm then going to go in here, click the edit pencil to edit the question. I'm going to delete the parts of the question. There we go. Keep deleting. And so this is the last question that I have here, and it's a multiple choice question. So if I want my third question to be a multiple choice question, I can just change the wording around, choose the right answer, and go for it. But what if I don't want to use a multiple choice question and I want to use a different question type? I'm going to click Add Question Type Part. I'm going to select the question type that I want to use. And it's added as Part B. So all I need to do is get rid of this multiple choice question, and of course I do that by clicking the trash can. If you have any questions about this or anything else on Edcite, please feel free to click the help or feedback buttons located at the bottom of your screen.